it off! Oh, turn it off!
Jeff? What are you doing here?
Your wife called. You're flooding out the bathroom.
Why would she call you?
Because I'm the crafty cameraman. But Eric, I gotta ask, do you always shower in your polka dot swim trunks?
Only since you started showing up suddenly getting results at home. I know when my drain would clog in the shower or the sink, in the past anyway, I'd reach for this, Drano, or my cell phone to call the plumber. But you know what I figured out? This is a $3 house hack that you gotta try first, every time. This is called a hair snake because chances are good if you have teenagers with long hair in your house, you have hair in your drain. Kind of afraid of what I'm about to pull out. And get yourself a roll of paper towel because this is gonna be nasty. So this is yucky, but not hard. I want to spin the snake so the teeth hook the hair. I did say it would be nasty, didn't I? Then just clean it off and keep going until there's no more hair on it. Why am I the only person in my family willing to do this? If that doesn't work for you, then you could try the Drano, or even a metal snake. Or maybe then it's time to call the plumber. Can I finish my shower now, Jeff? We're getting results at home. Eric Von Anken, News 6.